Hey everyone! You have made it through the first two marking periods of photography and digital design. This third marking period is going to look a little bit different. You're going to have a lot more choice because what we're going to do is we're going to pick a concentration, meaning you get to choose one of three categories. So I've broken down everything that we've learned into these three basic categories so you can kind of take a deep dive into your specific interest. So the first one is photography. Put your camera skills to work and take on new photo challenges that will take your knowledge to the next level and give you more experience editing using Adobe Lightroom. Your second option for a concentration is a focus on editing and photo manipulation using Adobe Photoshop and several other mobile applications. The final option is a focus on graphic design and in some cases, digital illustration. Take a deeper dive in working with vectors and creating original graphics in Adobe Illustrator. You're going to pick one of these three categories to focus on. Now let's take a look at what this looks like for you on Schoology. So typically we look at these weekly lessons. Instead of selecting the next week, you'll be working out of the photography and design concentration for the remainder of the marking period. So select this folder and you should see three things. The first thing is the menu, which has a list of the concentrations and all of the project options. I'm assuming you've already found this page since you are watching this video. So the directions state, after choosing a major concentration for this marking period, you will be required to make progress posts every school day and document your work following the requirements for the weekly schedule. Monday you will make a post, then each following day you will reply to your own post, which will keep all of your work nested together in this discussion. Friday you will finish your weekly project with a final critique. So after this video concludes, you can see a summary of the weekly schedule. You'll have 2 discussion posts in a week's prompt in Schoology. However, you will be posting every day. So follow each day's prompt, and I've created a checklist to make sure you've done everything. So you will select whatever project you want and then start that project. So Monday you are essentially just posting the project you pick and then starting to gather your resources. Tuesday you're going to start that photo shoot or those drawings or whatever that project entails and start documenting what you've accomplished each day. Keep a track of your time and your schedule because you do not want to procrastinate, because Friday you should have your project finished and you'll be posting your finished work along with completing the critique to that final discussion. Below this is the project menu. So this is the exciting part, hopefully for you. These are all the options that you have as you select your concentration and then look through these projects to find something that looks interesting to you. So if you chose photography and you're like, well, I need a professional headshot for my YouTube channel, select this project just by clicking the picture and it will take you to the actual assignment with the instructional videos, challenge outline, summarized directions, and then one of the important parts, what you're actually submitting to that final critique. So for this one, I have to submit 2 images, a professional portrait and an editorial headshot. So coming back to the project menu page, hopefully you can find at least 4 that interest you because we have 5 weeks left of the marking period and that last week will be saved for compiling all of your finished work for your portfolio. So you will be completing 4 total projects, 1 for each week. Each one of these images are linked to those projects. However, you can find those in the other folder if I go back to Photography and Design Concentration. So coming back to this page, you'll also see a folder that has the 3 concentrations, and in each of those concentrations, you'll see a list of all of your project options. You can access this from the menu as well. However, you can also find them here. Then the third folder is Project 1. So this is basically the first week starting this concentration project. So you'll see 2 discussion posts, Monday through Thursday. This is where you are posting what you are doing for Monday, and then if you look at Monday's post, post your major, post a link, describe your project assignment, and then describe your plan and start gathering those resources. After that post, let's just say example for now, you are replying to that original post for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And then once you've completed, obviously you're not typing in the day, you're typing in this information and posting any photo shoots that you have completed or sketches or any other resources that you've created for your project. For Friday, this is where you're posting your final work. So depending on the project, you might have one image, you might have 5, you might have a couple collages that you're posting. You will post that here as the attachment, typically a PNG, and then you are also completing the rest of what you see here. So you're also going to comment on 3 other students' posts, and then follow the rest of the instructions. So coming back to that parent folder, every week you'll see, for now it's just project 1, but then you'll see project 2, project 3, project 4, and then that 5th week you'll see that portfolio folder. So after these 5 weeks are up, you'll have a great portfolio of your finished work. I hope you're excited. I'm really excited to see what you guys complete and see all your awesome work. All right, enjoy and have a lot of fun.